Hello everyone and welcome to Dolomites, UNESCO World Heritage and the world's most beautiful mountains.
The Dolomites are located in northeastern Italy. The most beautiful mountains in the world, to quote Reinhold Messner, have been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2009.
We are on our way to Tre Peaks, one of the most iconic views in the Dolomites in South Tyrol.
The unique monumental beauty and the geological significance earned the Dolomites the designation of protected area and the right to be one of the Italy's 55 UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
Almost like in Switzerland. The hungry, the angry, no, very peaceful, nice cows. Almost arrived at Auronzo, Tre Cime, which are the high peaks, and Auronzo is the hut where people normally start the hike to the Tre Peaks, but I assume due to weather conditions, the normal road with the car up there is closed, so we are we are going all the way up first to the hut and then later to the Tre Peaks. Unexpectedly, in search of our lost drone, I just climbed one of the peaks without any equipment. I know, I'm absolutely insane. This is the view, and I just have to somehow come down here.
The descent was rather difficult and quite dangerous, since I didn't have any equipment such as crampons, ice axe or a rope with me to secure myself. As I already said, due to change of plans, due to lost drone, we couldn't manage this to the Tre Peaks. Yeah, we climbed another mountain in a very risky way, but yeah, that happens. So for today we're done, but we are not giving up. We're gonna manage those Tre Peaks next time, so continue watching. Woo!